Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm going to show you some of the new candle making kits that we have here at the Stitchin Post. They're by Cicada. We have 2 scents. This one is Wildflower, and it has a little bit of a floral scent to it. Really nice scent. And then Maude of the Desert is a little more citrusy. So those are the 2 scents that we have. So in the kit, you're going to get an instruction sheet. You get your essential oils that will provide the scent, a label, warning label for the bottom. You're going to get a wick that has a nice little sticker bottom to it. This will hold your wick center while the wax is drying. Little stir for your melted wax, and then the wax is a soy wax flakes is what you're going to be using, and then a glass vessel. So that's your complete kit. And what you need to get started is a microwavable safe bowl. So we're going to use this disposable nice little bowl. And we're going to pour our wax flakes in to get them melted. And we're going to do this in the microwave. How easy is that? So we're going to melt these for about 3 to 5 minutes in our microwave. So to set things up, we are going to pull everything out of our kit, which we did. We're going to put the warning label on the bottom of our glass vessel. And this is just letting you know about burning candles within sight, keeping them away from drafts, and just being safe with your candle. And then you pull this little sticker off the bottom of your wick and throw that in the center. Now we'll place this on after we've poured the wax in. So I think we're all set up and ready to melt our wax. Okay, so our wax only took about 2 minutes, so make sure you're not doing the full 5 minutes. You want to check it with your microwave. So we're just going to give it a little stir, make sure all the flakes are melted, and then let's add our fragrance. All right. And it says to stir it for 2 minutes once you put the fragrance in. So let's get going. Okay, I think we're getting to our 2 minutes, and it smells great. It is very floral, but not sweet floral, more of a musky kind of a floral scent. This is the Wildflower that I'm doing. So, okay. So now we're going to pour it into our little candle vessel. And let's see if I can do this without spilling. I kind of bend this up. It suggests using a pitcher that's microwavable, but we're going to go with this. And it says to be careful and not overfill. So I'm going to stop it right about there. I used all of my wax, and now we are going to put the wick holder on. All right. And it looks about center to me. So we're going to let this, leave it in place to dry for about 24 hours, and then it suggests not burning it for 72 hours. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since we poured the wax into our candle, and it's all set up. As you remember, it says to wait 72 hours after pouring for you to burn it the first time. However, if you want the best smell coming from your candle, it asks you to wait 14 days. All right, so the last thing that we need to do is trim the wick, and they suggest trimming it down to about 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to do that. Voila. All right, and the smells so good. It really, the smell that it throws without burning it is amazing. So this one was the Wildflower, and then we also have Maude of the Desert. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.